In this video, we'll show you how to install the 3D Cycle Parts Auxiliary Light Kit on any 2022 and up KLR650. This new kit has bright and rugged LED lights with custom bolt-on brackets that eliminate clearance issues, and most importantly, a purpose-built wiring harness that is completely plug and play and ties the function of the auxiliary lights to your high beams. Let's get started.
Open the light kit. You'll have two auxiliary lights with brackets. You'll have extra lenses, fog, and spot. You'll have your hardware kit to replace the lower fork triple tree bolts, and your harness with the relay attached. Tools needed: light kit, 13mm wrench, 12mm wrench, 12mm socket and ratchet, 4mm Allen, 5mm Allen, and a number 2 Phillips. Start with removing the side panel. This is the power plug for the light harness. Take off this dust cap, just like that. And then, if you don't already have the accessory relay, you need to install accessory relay. You can get that from 3D Cycle Parts. Disconnect the black plug, which is the headlight plug. To disconnect the plug, you pull this tab up and pull the two apart. That tab locks on this tab right here. Feed the auxiliary harness through. The new harness connects in between the old headlight plug, just like that. The The light plugs can hang down. And the harness can be zip tied right here around the frame. There's also a metal hook that holds the old harness, and you can tuck your new harness into that hook right there. Next is to remove the lower triple tree bolts, or lower fork clamp bolts. Right here, 12mm socket. You can also use the 12mm wrench. Take this light and 2 new bolts, reinstall. The torque value is 20.5 Newton meters or 15.1 foot-pounds. One side complete, repeat on the next. Unwrap your wires, plug them in, and zip tie how you like. The 13mm wrench is to loosen this and adjust where you want your light aimed. Now reinstall side panel. and you're ready to hit the trails.